internet is plastered with the success of young teens turning their passion for Fortnite into million-dollar success stories. Did you know that streaming and making YouTube videos isn't the only way people are becoming millionaires in this game? Some ingenious individuals are making money from creating maps and even selling rare Fortnite skins. If you're a Fortnite fan or just curious about the gaming world, you're in for a treat. Let's find out how people make millions from Fortnite and how you can become rich too. Professional gaming. One way to make a fortune on Fortnite is by joining professional gaming tournaments. The competitive gaming scene has exploded in recent years, and Fortnite is at the forefront. Professional players, or pros, are making headlines for their incredible skills and lucrative winnings. Tournaments like the Fortnite World Cup have cash prizes reaching into the millions. Names like Tfue, Ninja, and Bugha have become household names, not just for their gaming prowess, but for the fortunes they've amassed through competitions and endorsements. Bugha has made over $3.6 million from Fortnite tournaments alone, whereas Tfue's made over $600,000 from tournaments. Even though the winnings gap is huge, it's safe to say that many people have made life-changing money competing in these tournaments. Content creation. It's not just about winning tournaments. Content creation has become a goldmine for Fortnite enthusiasts. This has probably been the most lucrative way the average person's made money from playing Fortnite. Streaming platforms like Twitch and YouTube have created a new wave of gaming celebrities. Content creators like Ali, Lachlan, and Fresh have built massive followings by sharing their Fortnite adventures, strategies, and entertaining moments. Ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales have turned these creators into millionaires. The best thing about content creation is that you don't have to be a world-class player to make millions playing Fortnite. As long as you can entertain millions of people, you can become extremely successful in the content creation game. Content creators such as McCreamy pull in 30 million views a month, and he's estimated to make around $70,000 a month from ad revenue alone. The top Fortnite streamers also make a huge sum of money. The popular Fortnite streamer Ninja is estimated to have made between $500,000 to $1 million every single month. Skins and cosmetics. Fortnite's unique cosmetic items such as skins, emotes, and pickaxes have become a business of their own. Some savvy entrepreneurs have made a fortune by investing in rare and sought-after in-game items. Limited edition skins and exclusive cosmetics can be traded and sold within the Fortnite community, creating a secondary market that's proven to be incredibly lucrative. The Double Helix is a Nintendo Switch exclusive skin. Not only is it one of the most expensive Fortnite skins of all time, but it's also one of the rarest. While the skin cost $300 when it came out, it's become even more expensive over the past few years. The only way to unlock Double Helix in Chapter 3 is by getting the Nintendo Switch Special Edition bundle from outlets like Walmart or Best Buy. Creator codes. So what exactly are Fortnite creator codes? Well, these are unique codes assigned to content creators, streamers, and influencers by Epic Games, the creators of Fortnite. These codes allow fans to support their favorite creators by using them when making in-game purchases. To make money from creator codes, content creators need to join the Creator Support Program. Once accepted, they receive their unique code, which fans can enter at a time of purchasing V-Bucks or other in-game items. The magic happens when fans use a creator's code. Every time a purchase is made using that code, the game Fortnite allocates a percentage of the revenue from that transaction to the content creator. This is a win-win situation. Players get to support their favorite creators, and creators can earn a share of the money spent in-game. Promotion is key. Content creators often actively promote their creator codes through various channels: YouTube videos, Twitch streams, social media, you name it. The more fans use their code, the more revenue they generate. It's a symbiotic relationship that turns gaming passion into a viable income stream. Lazarbeam has said on the Goodfellas podcast that he's made over $1 million in a single month with creator codes.
And
you guys,
did you guys ever make a million quid in 1 month off of?
Before
I have in my history.
Time.
Yes, over 1 month made more than.
That is.
Map creators. In case you didn't know, Fortnite Creative Mode allows players to build their own custom maps and game modes, and some of these creations are truly mind-blowing. From elaborate obstacle courses to immersive adventure maps, and even full-scale recreations of famous locations, the creativity of these map creators knows no bounds. And the best part? Players can publish their creations for others to play and enjoy. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly are these map creators making money from their creations? Some creators monetize their Fortnite creative content by creating videos or streaming their gameplay on platforms like YouTube or Twitch. By attracting a large audience, creators can earn revenue through advertisements, sponsorships, and donations from viewers.
Mr. Beast donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Big Black Monkey Boy, Mr. Beast!
Merchandise and brand partnerships. Successful Fortnite creative creators may also have opportunities to collaborate with brands or sell merchandise based on their creations. For example, creators may partner with gaming companies to promote new products or release branded merchandise such as clothing, accessories, or in-game items. Overall, Fortnite Creative provides a platform for creators to showcase their talent, build a community, and potentially earn a living doing what they love. By leveraging various monetization strategies, creators can turn their passion for map making into a profitable venture. Now let's look at some really popular Fortnite creative maps. Enigma. Enigma is renowned for creating intricate and challenging puzzle maps within Fortnite. With millions of players attempting to solve his puzzles, he's become one of the most well-known map creators in the community. Through the Supporter Creator program, Enigma's earned substantial revenue from players purchasing V-Bucks to access his maps. Scissors. Scissors is famous for his Death Run maps, which feature intense obstacle courses that push players to their limits. His maps have garnered widespread attention from both players and content creators, leading to significant financial rewards through the Supporter Creator program. Scissors has also leveraged his success to establish his own esports organization, further expanding his revenue streams. Martaz. Martaz is a skilled Fortnite player and map creator known for his innovative mini-game maps that offer fast-paced and entertaining gameplay experiences. His maps have gained popularity among both casual and competitive players, resulting in substantial earnings through the Supporter Creator program. Martaz's success has also led to collaborations with other prominent creators and gaming orgs, enhancing his financial prospects. These are just a few examples of the many talented map creators who have found success and wealth within the Fortnite community. Their creativity, dedication, and entrepreneurial spirit have propelled them to the top of the game and inspired countless others to pursue their dreams within Fortnite's creative mode. From professional gaming and content creation to the business of Fortnite itself, people are turning their love for this game into million-dollar success stories. Whether you're a casual player or aspiring to go pro, the Fortnite universe is full of opportunities. What do you think about these Fortnite success stories? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow Fortnite fans, and subscribe for more gaming updates.